Super quick tofu with eggs. Heat some oil in a pan. Add soft tofu. Cut it into small pieces with a spatula and fry for a bit. Make a sauce: soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, cornstarch, and a little water. Mix well. Pour in your pre-beaten egg mixture. Then add the sauce. Let it simmer gently for 2 minutes. Sprinkle with green onions. Simple, delicious, and so smooth. Today I'm making salt-baked chicken thighs in the air fryer. They're so delicious. Pour hot water over 2 chicken thighs to tighten the skin. Pat dry, then add green onion, ginger, cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of salt-baked powder. Massage for 2 minutes and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius for another 5 minutes. The result is amazing. Glass crispy skin, juicy and tender inside. Give it a try. Place a plate in your steamer with a small bowl upside down on it. Add 2 chicken thighs, rub some salt-baked chicken seasoning, and add a few ginger slices. Steam for 20 minutes after the water boils. Take the chicken out and let it cool. Save the chicken broth, shred the chicken and put it on a plate. Take your prepared green onions and white sesame seeds, then pour hot oil over them. Mix in some light soy sauce and a little chicken broth to make the sauce. Put the sauce over the chicken. Easy and delicious. Enjoy. This yogurt tiramisu is super easy and really tasty. You only need cookies and yogurt. Remove the filling from the Oreos and crush them up. Get a tub of unsweetened Greek yogurt. Start with a layer of caramel cookies at the bottom, then a layer of yogurt. Add another layer of caramel cookies and yogurt. Finish with 1 last layer of caramel cookies and yogurt, then smooth the top. Sprinkle Oreo crumbs on top. Put the lid on and refrigerate for 3 hours. Your yummy yogurt tiramisu is ready. It's smooth and creamy. The cookies soak up the yogurt and taste soft and sweet. Give it a go. Simple king oyster mushroom and beef recipe. Mixed beef with ground pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, and cooking oil. Marinate for 10 minutes. Add garlic and mushrooms to a pan. Top with marinated beef. Drizzle some sauce, cover and simmer on low heat for 8 minutes. Stir well, sprinkle with green onions and serve. Today I'm making homemade beef stir-fried rice noodle. Season the beef with pepper, salt, light soy sauce and starch. Drizzle with oil. Marinate for 10 minutes. Light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar and some water. Stir well and set aside. Heat oil in the wok. Stir-fry the beef until it changes color, then take it out. Add rice noodles. Fry on medium heat until the bottom is slightly golden. Flip and push to the side. Add a bit more oil. Stir-fry scallion whites, bean sprouts, and onion strips. Pour in the sauce. Let the rice noodles soak up the sauce. Put the beef back into the wok. Stir all ingredients together. Sprinkle with green onions. Give it a quick stir and it's done.